So if you decide you're going to replace rear pads and rotors on your Toyota Venza or any vehicle that has the adjuster hole here for the parking brake shoes, make sure you line the hole up where it's supposed to. This vehicle needs parking brake cables, and the other side I barely got off. I had half the window to take a screwdriver to get to the adjuster, but this side is completely blocked. So now the price of this parking brake cable replacement is going to be a lot more. And I don't know if you've ever replaced parking brake shoes on one of these Venzas or comparable, but they're not fun to do. Anyway, so make sure if you're doing pads and rotors on your own vehicle that if there's a window there, make it easier for the next person who works on it so they can get the drums off without destroying the brake shoes. Anyway, just a thought.